Imagine this for a second: your car is running perfectly fine today, but a few months down the road, you're suddenly hit with a massive repair bill. Thousands of dollars vanish from your pocket. And the worst part? The damage could have been prevented. Mechanics won't tell you this, because they make their living off your ignorance. The less you know, the more you pay. But what if I told you there's a new additive, a simple, almost hidden solution that can drastically extend the life of your engine, slash your fuel costs, and save you from those nightmare repair bills? Now here's the truth most people don't realize. Cars don't usually break down overnight. Damage builds up slowly, tiny deposits in your engine, micro friction that wears down vital parts, hidden stress on your fuel system. Mechanics know this. In fact, they count on it. Because the moment your car starts failing, you run straight to them, desperate and willing to pay whatever they charge. But here's where things get interesting. There's now a game-changing additive that quietly works in the background, reducing wear, dissolving harmful deposits, and protecting your car from the very problems that mechanics profit from. Think about that for a moment. Every mile you drive without it, you're leaving your engine exposed to stress, friction, and damage that you'll end up paying for later. But with this, you're not just maintaining your car, you're outsmarting the entire repair industry. This isn't about fancy marketing or another overpriced premium service. This is about giving yourself the upper hand, putting control back in your hands, and keeping thousands of dollars where they belong, your pocket, not theirs. By the end of this video, you're going to understand why this single discovery is something mechanics wish you'd never hear about. Because once you know it, you'll never look at car maintenance the same way again. Hidden mechanic truth. Mechanics thrive on your car breaking down. That's their business model. They'll never tell you about a cheap solution that prevents most common failures, because the less you know, the more money they make. Additives reduce wear, stop buildup, and extend engine life. But if you use them, you wouldn't be in their shop as often, and that means less profit for them. That's why this information stays hidden. It threatens their income, not your car. Engine's secret shield. Think of your engine as a heart, constantly pumping. Over time, sludge, heat, and friction eat away at it, destroying parts silently. This additive acts like armor. It dissolves buildup, coats the metal, and reduces grinding friction. The result? A cooler, smoother, more efficient engine that doesn't slowly kill itself. Breakdowns aren't random, they're the result of invisible damage. This additive is the quiet bodyguard your engine has been missing. Financial freedom hack. A single major repair, like a transmission or engine, can cost you thousands. And most drivers just accept it as normal. But here's the truth. Much of that damage could have been prevented for just a fraction of the price. This additive saves you money by cutting down future repairs before they ever happen. You're not just protecting your car, you're protecting your wallet. Every dollar you spend on it saves you hundreds, even thousands, in the long run. Act before damage. Most people wait until their car shows a problem, and by then, it's already too late. Damage has been building silently for months. Mechanics love that, because waiting means guaranteed income for them. Smart drivers act early. This additive protects you before the damage begins, turning breakdowns into a problem you'll never have to face. Every mile without it is a gamble. You either protect your car now, or you pay for it later. Now, here's the real test. After everything you've just learned, you have two options. Option 1, you close this video, ignore what you've heard, and keep driving your car the same way, hoping the repair bills don't catch up with you. That's exactly what mechanics want you to do. Stay blind, stay dependent, and keep paying them year after year. Option 2, you take control, protect your car, protect your wallet, and make sure you're never at the mercy of a mechanic's smile again. That choice is yours, but let me tell you something. Most people watching won't act. Most people will shrug it off, and those are the ones who will be writing checks for $2,000 repairs next year. Now I'm curious, what side are you on? Do you believe additives are a scam? Or do you think this is the single smartest way to outsmart the repair industry? Drop your thoughts below, because I want to see where you stand. And let's be honest, if you've ever been burned by a mechanic's overpriced bill, I bet you've got a story worth sharing. Don't hold back. This is the one place where you can say exactly what you think. And hey, if you're sitting there thinking, nah, I'll just take my chances, that's fine. Just don't be surprised if, a few months from now, you're watching this video again while crying over a $3,000 repair bill. In that case, I'll be the one saying, "I told you so."